In this video, you'll learn 5 strategies that beginner freelance writers must follow if they want to set themselves up for success and attract their first or next high-paying client. Hi, I'm Jesse from StartCopywriting.com. I've been a freelance writer since 2004, and these are the exact steps that I would follow if I had to start my freelance writing career all over again. Step number 1 is to choose a type of freelance writing that pays really well. One of the most popular types of freelance writing is copywriting. According to salary.com, the suggested initial rates for beginner copywriters range from $26 to $29 per hour. Copywriters with 5 years or more experience in the field can potentially earn between $75 and $125 per hour. Another type of writing that pays really well is technical writing. We know that technical writers can earn from $26 to $32 per hour. However, if the writer possesses a relevant qualification, degree, or professional experience in a specific field, they could earn up to $250 per hour, an impressive rate for any writer out there. White paper writing is another profitable type of freelance writing. And we know that according to Indeed.com, white paper writers can expect to earn $23 to $35 per hour as a beginner. Top performing white paper writers can make up to $5,000 per month. Step number 2 is to choose a profitable writing niche. Now, not every niche pays writers well. It's important to choose one that does, so we'll be exploring those in just a moment. It's important to choose a niche that you're knowledgeable about, passionate about, or have previous work experience in. Some of the highest paying writing niches are Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, personal finance, e-commerce, real estate, digital marketing, and software as a service. Step number 3 is to create niche-specific portfolio examples. It's much more effective and valuable to create 3 to 5 niche-specific examples as opposed to uploading hundreds of random writing examples to your website or to your portfolio. That's because clients want to see examples of high quality writing that you've done specifically for their industry or niche. They want to know that you have industry experience when choosing you to write for their business. Step number 4 is to make a list of all of the dream clients in your niche. What is a dream client? It's a company that you'd love to work for and that you know has the funds to hire you to write for them. To do this, just head over to google.com, type a search like top XYZ companies, such as health and wellness, top health and wellness companies. Then you're going to find a list of those. I want you to take all of those companies and add their information into a separate spreadsheet. The next step is we're going to look for the contact details of either the founder or the marketing manager at these companies by either looking on their website, their LinkedIn profile, or by using a tool like hunter.io. We can do a quick search and uncover their email address. Then you want to spend a little time writing a personalized email to each of those contacts, letting them know that you're available and ready to work for their business. One of the things to highlight is that you have experience in writing for their industry and that you're available to write for them now. You also want to make sure you follow up. Don't just send one email and then hope they get back to you. I recommend sending a follow-up email a week or 2 later, reminding them about your initial email and seeing if you can get a response that way. Step number 5 is to apply for writing jobs on popular job boards like ProBlogger or Upwork. So you want to apply for jobs regularly. I recommend checking these job boards every single day for suitable writing jobs that you're capable of doing within the niche that you've chosen. So you can use the filtering options on a lot of these job boards to look for jobs within your particular niche and also the type of writing that you have chosen to specialize in, such as copywriting or technical writing. When applying for jobs, I recommend applying ASAP. The sooner you apply for the job, the higher your chances are of landing that job. You also want to personalize your pitch to each of the jobs that you're applying for, making sure that you include things like the hiring manager's first name and your relevant experience and why you would make a great candidate for that job. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you'd like to get an additional 5 strategies, a total of 10 strategies for attracting freelance writing jobs, then I recommend you click on the link in the pinned comment, the first comment below this video if you want to get access to that free article. Or if you'd like to grab a copy of my guide, How to Become a Freelance Writer, that's also in the link below this video. Thanks again so much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.